Two powerhouse productivity apps, trusted by millions. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the seamless enterprise hub, Monday.com. And on the right, the lightweight task management favorite, Todoist. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's what's on our comparison roadmap. We're going to look at pricing, features, integration, customization, complexity, and available views. Basically, all the stuff that actually matters, whether you're running a massive enterprise or just need to get your personal tasks sorted. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, pricing. Monday.com, honestly, is clearly built for big teams or enterprises. So yeah, you get lots of integration options, but it's definitely on the pricier side. Their free plan, kind of meh. Not going to lie. On the other hand, Todoist is way easier on your wallet, and you get a way better free version. Sure, it doesn't have all the wild enterprise bells and whistles, but honestly, for most folks, that's probably fine. So if price is a thing for you, and come on, when isn't it? Todoist totally wins here. All right, features. Now, Monday.com, my goodness, it's stacked. Advanced project management, built-in Gantt charts, like actual power tools for your team. The flip side, it can be a beast to figure out, so get comfy with the learning curve. Todoist, it's super user-friendly, super basic, perfect for getting stuff checked off your list, but lacks those deep dive features. If you want something powerful, Monday.com takes the crown for features. Next up, integration. Monday.com is kinda ridiculous with the native integrations and the automation side. Seriously advanced stuff. You might need Zapier for some connections, but it's still got way more options packed in. Todoist is super chill here. Easy Zapier setup, simple basics, but yeah, limited native stuff. If you want to hook up a bunch of apps, Monday.com, no contest, it wins. Wait, hold on. Did you know? Choosing the right task management tool can boost productivity by 30%. Yeah, 30. That's huge. Imagine what you could do with that extra time. After that, customization. Get this. Monday.com lets you tweak pretty much everything. Workflows, boards, you name it. That's super cool. But, and I can't stress this enough, it can feel a little overwhelming if you're new. Todoist keeps things breezy and intuitive. Less overwhelming, but also less flexibility. So, for customization lovers, Monday.com wins again. All right, let's talk complexity. And honestly, this is where things flip. Monday.com, it handles insane projects, no problem. But setting it up? Whew, not for the faint-hearted. Todoist lives for simplicity. Fast setup, easy to use, just add your tasks and go. But bear in mind, it's not built for the mega complex stuff. So if you're looking for something straightforward and quick to adopt, Todoist comes out on top. Quick look at available views. Monday.com serves it all. Kanban, Gantt, calendar, timeline, list. Actually kind of intimidating with all those options. Todoist keeps it simpler. You get list, Kanban, and calendar. Just enough variety, but not distracting. So, if you love options, Monday.com is the winner here. So, if you look at the big picture on a radar chart, Monday.com dominates in features, integrations, views, and customization. But Todoist totally aces pricing and simplicity. You can literally see how different their strengths are. It's kind of wild. If you want the enterprise king with all the bells, whistles, and serious project management muscle, Monday.com's your best bet. But if you just need something light, affordable, and easy, Todoist is perfect, especially for individuals or small teams. Seriously, it's all about what fits your workflow. Ready to ramp up your productivity in 2025? Go ahead and pick the tool that matches what you actually need. Get stuff done the smart way.